him in his stroller?
What?
You don't know if you'll be able to handle that?
He sneezes like that, everything. His arms flail, his face
He's like, oh, I have not had a baby sneeze as much as this
David.
one. Crazy. Yeah, don't squeeze. But don't.
Were you
It
squeezing?
looked like you were squeezing.
I was just gonna get
Oh, I thought you were squeezing. Yeah, be careful
holding
with
it very
squeezing.
lightly.
You can let him squeeze you, though. You can put your
Stop
finger in his
I
hand,
just have a
and he'll grab it.
keys I have. I've been sitting in a
Now you
hospital
let him
bed for
grab
2
my
days.
finger.
You want to go walk around the park?
Not really. I need to do something.
David, stop.
Go shower.
We're going, can
You go
I
shower,
let
we
him
got
grab
him.
my finger? I want him to grab my finger.
He's so cute.
I want him to grab my finger.